Hello students, we were doing our lesson teamwork, in which we have completed up to question number 2 of its exercise. Now come to the next question. Read the poem. On the basis of this poem, we have to frame questions of these answers. For want of a nail. For want of a nail, the shoe was lost. For want of a shoe, the horse was lost. For want of a horse, the rider was lost. For want of a rider, the battle was lost. For want of a battle, the kingdom was lost. And all for the want of a horseshoe nail. All are connected with each other. The shoe was lost because of the nail. The horse was lost because of shoe. The rider was lost because of horse. So, here are some answers given and we have to frame questions. The answer is, the shoe was lost because of the nail. So, the question is, why was the shoe lost? Why was the shoe lost? The answer is, the shoe was lost because of the nail. The same answer is, the kingdom was lost because the battle could not be fought. So, we can frame question as we have framed this one. The kingdom. Why was the kingdom lost? Why was the kingdom lost? Next is, the battle was lost because there was no rider. So, we can frame question like, why was the battle lost? Why was the battle lost? Now, make 3 more questions and answers from the poem Teamwork. On the basis of our poem Teamwork, we have to frame 3 more questions and their answers. So, we can frame our questions like this. Question number 1. How can we make our dream work? The answer is, we can make our dream work by working together. Next question is, how can the relay race go on? Answer is, the relay race can go on if someone passes the baton. Question number 3. How can we achieve our common goal? We can achieve our common goal by working together. Next question is picture composition. This is the question under your creative writing. Look at this picture and answer the question in one sentence using the word clues given in the box. आपके लिए बॉक्सेस में कुछ क्लूज दिए गए हैं. प्लम्बर, पेंटर, मेसन, इलेक्ट्रीशियन, लेबरर, कारपेंटर and gardener. Who is laying the bricks? Who is laying the bricks? So, we can write answer as, the mason is laying the bricks. Mason means mistri. The mason is laying the bricks. The mason is laying the bricks. Who is holding the ladder? Who is holding the ladder? The laborer. The laborer is holding the ladder. Who is the man on the ladder? The man on the ladder is electrician. The man on the ladder is electrician. Who is making the door? Who is making the door? The carpenter is making the door. The carpenter is making the door. Who is painting the walls? The painter is painting the walls. Who is painting the walls? The painter is painting the walls. Now make up a story about the picture. Give names to the people. Write the story showing the importance of teamwork. On the basis of these lines, we have to make a story about this picture. So we can write this picture composition as by using sentences like the picture given above shows that a house is being built. A number of people are engaged in this work. Mahesh, the mason, is laying the bricks. Naman, the carpenter, is busy in making the door. Raju is a laborer who is holding the ladder on which Naseem, the electrician, is standing and busy in electric fittings. A house or flat cannot be completed without a plumber. Hence, Rohit is called to lay water pipes. But how can a house or flat look beautiful if there is no painter? For this work, Matho is called, who is a good painter. He paints the entire house beautifully. Everyone admires his work. Thus, building of a house or flat is a teamwork. Everyone needed in this work is equally important. By creating this picture in your notebook, you have to write this picture composition in your notebook and speaking like I have spoken. Now there are another question. In the puzzle, find the words given in the column. Notice that these words are formed by joining two words. One is done for you. Sometime, everyone, basketball, nobody, teamwork, baton. One is given for you. Sometime. You have to find these words also, and another 2 or 3 words you can find in this box and circle these words in this box, like Sunday, Sunday, and another is handsome, handsome. You have to find these words on your own. And two another questions for you are, this is your homework. You have to prepare these answers yourself. Things I like doing alone and things I like doing in a group, like reading storybooks, playing cricket, Like this, you have to mention 4 to 5 points in both the categories. Okay. Next question is, in your family, what activities are done individually and as a group? My mother decides. My father decides. I decide and we decide. You have to fill these sentences according to your family. Okay, now for today's it is all. Do this work in your notebook and practice all the work. Thank you.